Hello friends, welcome to the Azure DevOps tutorial series. In this tutorial series, we will talk about Azure board with basic process. So basically in the part 3 of this tutorial series, we have seen like different type of the work process are available in Azure DevOps, and based on that process our basically this Azure board created. So now we are going to talk about our first basic process, and most of the things we have already discussed about the basic process like work item and the backlog and sprint. We have already talked about all those things. So in this tutorial, like before proceeding, I recommend you please watch previous tutorial, so this tutorial you will understand very easily. So in the previous tutorial we have already discussed about the work items, like it's a part of the work that is useful to complete the product development, and we can add work item to the plan and manage our project. And we have seen like there are different type of the work items, like we create the work item as a task, bug, issue, backlog. So these all are the type work item we used to create. And generally when we create any type of the work item, we have to give like something like description, and like what is the title, what is the area path. So some mandatory things we have to give into the work item. And the type of the work item for this basic process we have already seen, like there are three type of the work item for the basic process is like epic, issue and the task. And we know like what is the difference between epic, issue and the task, which we have already talked about in part 8 of this tutorial series. Epic is just like a bigger task, or we can say a feature, and like when we divide that feature into the small the task, that is issue, and then we divide that issue into the small task, and that is called as a task. So let's go to the Azure DevOps basically, and there we will see like how it look like. So basically when we go on the board, so this board it is we have created in the previous tutorial. So basically whatever you are looking, this board is a basically Azure board and with the basic process. So how you can identify like it's a basic process or what? So like once we create, like when we create, you if you will go and you will create new project from here. So in go to advanced, from here we can identify like what is the work item process we are going to create for that particular project. And for the existing one, how you can identify, go to that project and go to this project setting. So once you will go into the project setting, from here you can see like what is the process. And once you will click on that process, you can see like how we have defined we have defined the epic, issue, task, test case, test plan, test suite. So all these things we can see. And what's the backlog label is there, like portfolio backlog, requirement backlog, iteration backlog. So these are the type of the backlog basically we can see here. And the projects like this one, basically for which project under it comes. So now if you will go to the overview of that project, so in this overview, like we have already talked about it here, these things comes, like we can change the name and all these things. And apart from this, like who is the owner, and if we want to delete that one we can do. So all those things we have already talked about into the previous tutorial. And we can see like when you click on this project, you can see from here, like here the process it is showing as a basic, and when you will click on that you will see same things. So in that manner we can identify like which process currently we are using. And when you go on that project, you can see the board and you can go to the particular board. So when you will come that particular board, so whatever the board it is showing, it is a basic work item process board we are looking. And here we can create the work item. Like if you want to click on this, and if I will add here, like what kind of item you are going to add. So whatever is the selected from here, that same item it will create. So suppose if I want to create the epic, you can click on the epic, and like currently we are having one epic. Now I'm going to add another epic called teacher portal. And when I will like click outside, it will create a teacher portal for us, and it's basically a epic. And currently like we can see here, it is assigned to here this user .NET Office 16, but this is not assigned to anyone. So how you can assign all these things we have already talked about in part 8, because in the work item where we have understood about the work item, so it is similar to that only. Like if you will click on that, any user you can assign, like I'm going to assign this one to this Munesh, and from here you can assign, and here if you want to add, you can add into the existing tag or into the new tag. So I'm going to take existing one and save and close, so it will take to us here. So currently for this one here, many there is one issue is assigned to this one, and for this there is no issue. So what I can do, I can add the issue here, and in this I can add the multiple issue. Like I'm going to add login portal for teachers. So this one we can identify, and under this one, if you want to add the title or new branch you want to create or something you want to do, we can do under this one. And I want to add more, then what I can do, OTP for login portal of teachers. So basically now this portal is contained two issue, and this portal contain one issue. So in that manner we can manage our board for the basic process of the Azure board. And when I click on this and I click on the issue, we can see the issue which we have created just now, like OTP and all these things. If anything you want to do, then what we can do, we can come and click here basically, and we can start working on this, and we can assign. Like first we have to assign, like you have to click, like if we are doing means someone has to start work on this process. So you have to click, and when you will save and close, and many things like description and other things if you want to give, we can give based on that, like attachment or what is the history of this. So all those things we can see from here. Like parent is the, like here we can see parent, what is the parent, so we can see this is the Epic is the parent of this issue. So all these things information we can see here. So once you will do you will play around all these boards, work item, Apex, backlog, sprint, when you will play around itself, you will understand more on it. And so that's it for this tutorial, like how we create like boards or manage the board for the basic process for Azure board. And like if you get any question and all this, you can reach me out and you can comment of this tutorial series. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.